Hi, Rockies again. Regarding the cloud technology, public cloud, private cloud, I spent quite a few sections, in the last few weeks. And cloud technology actually is a very critical and important technology that can support the digitization process. And this week, I'm going to share more about the cloud technology and the government digitization relationship. So sure, to understand how important of the digital government in this, so I would like to share about the evolution of a digital government. According to my understanding, digital government is right now under different kind of transformation, starting from e-government 1.0 to the smart city concept, digital government 4.0. So for the whole process, we are concerning about, at below, the interconnectivity, like the cloud, the intelligence and the big data, the service convergence, and also the platform integrations and how to support the government transformations. So first of all, let me spend some time to explain to you about this transformation process, and then I will highlight the key cloud technology that can be the driver to make the government more innovative to undergoing this process. In digital government 1.0, this is a process I do believe a lot of the government has been done already. We can interpret this as a process that the government digitize the current internal or external services, like application of the government services they put over the internet. Internal process, they make it like a paperless. So this help to increase the effectiveness of the whole operations and make the government more transparent by using the internet, to release the information to the public. So I do believe right now around the world, a lot of the government this has been going through this e-government process already. So right now, some of the government, or of course some government also experience already about the e-government cloud. We are talking about the unified infrastructure platform. What it is? This is the process to centralize all the resources and building a unified platform to uplift, in terms of the time of delivery of the service, improving the working efficiency. So a very good example I can share with you right now in Malaysia. I'm in Malaysia right now. So there's an app, my Sagitera app, under the COVID pandemic now, everybody need to scan the QR code when you go everywhere. Because the government has been centralized all the ICT resources pool so that they can build the application and deliver in very short time. So to meet the whole country requirement, and the APP data can be used and by different departments to use. Likely, the immigration department may need to check the foreigners when they enter Malaysia using the same app. The health department can use to chase the people. They go to some places that is already infected by some people. In the same time, in the same day. So that means they can chase the people and get them to quarantine. And of course, the police can chase the people by following and check through the app whether they are following the SOP. So all this, the unified infrastructure platform can improve further about the time of delivery of the services and make the platform more like a universal to all the departments. And in the digital government 3.0, it becomes a more like a service-oriented concept. Some of the government in the world, they start already. More and more government, right now, they change from the concept like management-centric. They manage the society, they manage the city. They change the concept right now to be more like a service focus. Every citizen, every people shall be engaged in different kind of government services. Right now, nowadays, maybe a citizen need to pay for the EPF. They need to claim for some of the medical services or even claim the medical insurance from the government. Applying the IC card, renew the passport, tax payment, vehicle license renew, extra. So all this, how to move the government from the departmental concept to more like a service oriented. Okay, all the department, okay, they work individually as a long, right? And how they can combine together and provide a service to the citizen. How to restructure and redefining the work process. This is very important. And how to make use the new process to shorten the communication for all the people. How to make the country-based census more effective. Like, okay, I build a platform. How can I do some survey to check, okay, the satisfaction of the people to the government services? How can I collect opinions, okay, of the people about the city planning? So all these kind of interactions is more like a service-oriented in the digital government 3.0. And when we move, okay, to digital government 4.0, a lot of the government right now, they are looking into the smart city concept. And all this talking about the modern governance system and ecosystem concept. In this stage, government start to move like more service innovations, not service oriented. They want to innovate more services, okay, and create a new ecosystem to support the transformation of the government structure. Very ambitious, huh? And also, okay, they want to transform the existing system and policy to the new one that can cater for the future development and meet the ecosystem requirement. So with this tremendous of data stored in the government data center, in this stage, the government may require more like a sophisticated analytic and AI technology, so to kick off this process. So this is the government digitization process that I'm talking about. When we move, okay, to the cloud technology, how this match, okay, to this process. So you can see cloud as an innovation driver will be the key to enable the future of technology in government. So this is one of the consulting paper from Deloitte talking about the cloud technology. When you see, okay, the four process, okay, I'm talking about, actually the cloud can break down the data silos, it reduce the congestions, anticipate crime. How does it, okay, interpret? Imagine before all the government department data, they are, okay, all silos, independent, not interrelated. So it's very difficult to counter check. And it's very easy for the people to make fraud behavior because of the structure. So also some of the data, okay, if a lot of people, they want to access, they want to get more detail, so it will, okay, create a lot of congestions. So in terms of the cloud technology, we can, okay, break down these kind of data silos. And in terms of the AI adoptions, okay, cloud can drive, analyze, okay, like the big data, also all the government data in terms of the facial recognitions, chat robots. This is also a very important part because in the digital government 3.0 or 4.0, actually the government has already stored a lot of the valuable data in terms of like the citizen behavior, the information, whatever. And this is very important to kick off like the AI adoptions, to do some intelligent analytics, so that to make some like improvement of the government process. And finally, the cloud platform, no doubt, we can connect all people, we can connect all developers, we can connect all designers, we can connect all across the ecosystem and create a unique platform for the whole government to evolve. So this is the concept, okay, and the information that I would like to share this week. And I hope this helped you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.